Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily change product image on Shopify. So all you have to do is head over to admin.shopify.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on products. Then next on the product list, select the specific product that you want to change the image. And from here in the media section, click on Upload New, then select the specific image that you want to use as the product image. Then open it, and once done, just head over and click on Save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!